guys, I'm a little bit scared. The producer has outfitted us with a lot of protective gear. And apparently we're supposed to be playing a game. So this have me worrying that like after I just wash it, I have to go wash it again. But anyway, them said the game go. Our partners here are gonna see a word on the paper.
That's Kevoy.
Yeah.
Melissa.
Okay, good. Thanks for the introduction. And then them going to give us a descriptive word, which is, and trying to get us to say a word, but not the risky word. That makes sense, guys? Me just explain it properly? Yeah. They're gonna try to get us to say the word that's on the paper without saying the risky word, but they can only use one word. If we say the risky word, you see that? You read that, Dwayne?
Yeah, I'm see it.
If we see the risky word, we'll be sorry. What that
Risky,
mean? What
risky.
that mean, though? What that mean?
Risky. Can you hear me? I can't hear myself.
Just reminding us about asthma.
I can't hear myself. You guys can hear me?
I don't want a wet palm.
And you can't hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Remember, can't hear myself.
So do you think that's blocking your sound?
A different type of gas.
Yeah.
No.
Cheating.
No.
Cheating.
Gas.
Kerosene.
My youth. My youth. Stop the ramping. You ramp too much. You're not doing. Stop it.
You lose. You lose.
No. All right.
And the newborn chronic so the mixtape penny.
That's it for weekend plan, guys. We'll see you next week.
Yeah,
Champion. Champion.
Until then,
Yeah. Whew.
Good work, Tina.
Yeah. Yeah.
Listen, I just want to big up my mommy.
Big up.
She taught me words when I was younger.
True. Big
Like
up my mother.
Mizzou?
You know, like Mizzou.
Mizzou is French. It's French. Mumouze, Bablesse, Fouché.
Sinesoin.
So,
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, one love, be safe. Yeah, we don't deal with losers. Taking a break. Whew, I forget my bearings back.